Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte and United States President Donald Trump slammed the militarization of the disputed South China Sea. Duterte and Trump, in a joint statement, stressed the importance of peacefully resolving disputes in the South China Sea in accordance with international law as reflected in the Law of the Sea Convention. The two leaders say there is a need to refrain from actions that would escalate tensions, including militarization. This joint statement is expected to draw flack from China, which detests so-called U.S. interference in the South China Sea dispute. During the ASEAN summit, the 10-member regional bloc and China agreed to start talks on a code of conduct in the disputed waters. In a draft statement for the ASEAN-China summit, both parties vowed not to take the commerce situation in the South China Sea for granted.